And I would like to thank all the members of the association who traveled from across our great state of Pennsylvania to be here today. So several years ago, a constituent of mine who is a public health dental hygiene practitioner came to me and asked for help. These public health hygienists are allowed to work in public health settings without dental supervision. Since the General Assembly passed legislation to create the PHDHP in 2007, over 700 dental hygienists in Pennsylvania have applied for this credential. The role they can play in increasing badly needed access to oral health care is extremely important. My constituent was approached by one of the local school districts who is having difficulty finding a dentist to do the mandated dental screenings for school children. And they asked her if she would help, and she was more than willing to step up and help. While her education and training have prepared her to conduct the screenings, currently statutes and regulations in Pennsylvania prevented her from doing just that. Legislation is needed to make this change. That started me on an effort for what we're here to talk about today. House Bill 994 would allow the public health dental hygiene practitioners to conduct dental screenings, which are required for children who are entering kindergarten or first grade, third grade, and seventh grade in school. We need to fix this. This is an absolute no-brainer. Here's what we currently know. We have 1.8 million children in Pennsylvania in schools. Many school districts are having an extremely difficult time finding dentists to do the mandated screenings. Pennsylvania today only have 36 school dental hygiene programs for our 500 schools. We have about 50 certified dental hygienists statewide. This legislation that I've introduced does not apply to existing certified school dental hygienists. Certification for programs for the school dental hygienists have dried up, basically to the lack of the job market. Data is soon to be released from the Center for Rural PA for the 15-16 school year that show that approximately 50,000 children have had no dental screening at all. HB 994 is a start to try and improve this situation. It will help school districts who can't find dentists to do the mandated screenings on our children. This legislation is supported by the PA Dental Hygiene Association, the Pennsylvania Dental Association, the Academy of General Dentistry, the Pennsylvania School Boards, and the Pennsylvania School Administrators. It was voted out of the House Education Committee in June, and I promise that I will work diligently on both sides of the aisle to bring this legislation to a vote. And I'd now like to introduce Rep. Joanna McClendon, who's the House Democrat Caucus Chair. She's also the lead Democrat on this sponsor, and it is a great honor to be able to work together across the aisle on a piece of great legislation.